What is up, everybody? So this is my St. Patrick's Day look, and if you want to see this and what I used, stay tuned. I obviously have my headphones on, and I did green for St. Patrick's Day. Now this is a different Color Workshop eyeshadow primer. The other one that I was using is pretty much dead. And I'm going to apply that all over my lid up to my brow bone. Alright. So I'm actually going to be using the Saint Center palette because it has the most colors that I want to use compared to all my other ones, so hopefully it works out this time. Alright, so now I'm going to take this packer brush and I'm going to use Amen, which is this one right here, and apply that under my brow bone. Okay, you know what? I just can't. It's like acting all weird on this brush, so I can go somewhere else. Where to go? I had another palette over here. Switching to the Sweet Peach. I'm going in with White Peach, which is this top one up here, with that same packer brush, and applying that over. This is so much smoother and more buttery than the other one. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this precision brush. I'm going to do Bless Her Heart, which is this greenish color right here. And I'm not putting it in my crease, I'm putting it above my crease. So back to this, I guess. This is actually really annoying. I'm going to take Exodus, which is that neon green right there. So I'm going to put that over that olive color. So now I'm going to take Relic, which is this gold, and just pat that on. It seems like these shadows work better if you pat them and not swipe. There's another precision brush. So I'm going to take Martyr and Crucifix and put that in the crease area to kind of deepen that. And I'm going to drag that under my lower lashes. Okay, now I'm done with this. So I'm going to go in with the Hard Candy Walk the Line Liquid Eyeliner in Asphalt. Okay, so I'm just going to take this Burt's Bees Mango lip balm and apply that to my lips because my lips are dry. So while that moisturizes, normally I would be using my Smashbox eyeliner, Icol, but it's dead. So I've got these two. This one is, they're both waterproof. Linked on black and sparkling black. We're gonna go with just a regular linked on black because I already have enough sparkle. So this is what it looks like. And you just pull it off. So I'm going to apply this to my waterline, both upper and lower. I'm going to take this beauty blender. It's not bad. Ouch, I just stabbed myself in the eye with it. Be careful doing this. So I'm going to take this Monsieur Big mascara. I don't know why I was thinking eye. The mascara, apply that to the tops of my top lashes and all that fun stuff. My camera is dying, so I hope I can get some more of this done before I have to quit. I use this for my blush, which this is an Ulta Beauty eyeshadow in Beauty Junkie, I'm guessing. So it says on the back. For my highlight, I used Heaven, which is this one right here, which I think is actually really pretty. And before I had something to drink and all of that, I use this for my lips. And it smells like apples. This is a Victoria's Secret lip gloss. Supposedly flavored, but yeah, it doesn't taste like anything to me. It's more scented. So that's what it looks like with the lip gloss on. Overall, this is a completed look. I hope you enjoyed. If you recreate this look, tag me on Instagram, C Sprite Makeup. And as I stated, this is a collaboration video, and I will link her video as well. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope to see you in the next one.